Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, August the 21st, 2023, we have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku. I've solved this a minute ago. And we have here in this newspaper also a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And in this newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve in the evening, 4 of them. And yeah, what's the news of today? Well, I've told you news of today. We have yesterday a race with athletics, and 2 Dutch athletics fell or fallen several meters for the finish. Here, Femke Bol, this one. Specialist in 400 meters, 4 times 400 mixed, and this one also at the finish. Stefan Hassan, yes. So no gold for us, for the Netherlands. So that's the news. And let me continue with this Sudoku. Sudoku number 6958. Well, come on. 5-8. What's happening? Yeah. Alright, 6958. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And this one is 9 times 11. 9 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Some Tectonics has 8 by 11. This one has 9 by 11. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Alright. More single boxes? No. Dual box, I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. No. Triple boxes, I see here. This is the next question. A quarter box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3. In this quarter box should be there, so the 1 and the 2 are left. Okay. More quarter boxes. Here, a quarter box. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3. Should be there, so 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Okay. More quarter boxes. No. Then the following step is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Let me see. This newspaper. Let me do this. Okay. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that the shape that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. Then the next shape, how about the T shape upside down? The T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one T shape, I see. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Next to it. Yes, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Oh. I see here the quadro box in the L shape. Well. The next shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Well. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Here the same. This box has the same number as that box. Another one here. Well. Overlooked. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Okay, before I do this, I overlooked this quadra box and this also a quadra box. So let me continue with the quadra box. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Here, when you see a quadra box in an L shape, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay. Overlook those 2 quadra boxes. Okay, we can start. Alright. Well, we have here double 1 and a double 4. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Okay. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes. Oh wait, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 1, but also that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution place the one there. The only place left for the one is supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. That means that we have a double 2 there. That means that those two boxes can be 2. But also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 here. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Same for here. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. Alright. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution place the 4 there, the only place left for the 4 I should be there. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so 1 is left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright, these two boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. So the only place left for 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier, the 3. This box can be a 3 and more, so that box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair should be the 1 and the 2 in this quarter box. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a double 4 here. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright. These two boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 4, but also those two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2, the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be, yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3, but we already have a 2 here or there, so it can be a 2 and more. Should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 1 star? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.